Going. I've clicked the button. We've got numbers going.
Oh right, okay, yeah. Fantastic. Ready to go.
I think so this
All
time.
Right. So, in stock I have bolts that are this long. Unfortunately, we need bolts that are this long. So otherwise they'll bottom out into the motors. So actually gearbox. But anyway, so Richie has some fantastic cutters. A really good idea is to stick the nut on the bolt, so that when you cut the bolt like this, nice colours. When you cut the bolt, you can use the nut to reform the thread on the bolt as you encourage it off with a screwdriver and a small spanner. We're doing pretty good. We've got this, the top of the fixture set up in order to prepare the Bond glue that sits on the spigot and goes into the receptacle. And the intention is then to fixture this so that it's set correctly around the concentric, effectively, to the wheel, to the center of the to the wheel there. Anyway, do I really want to say we'll see how it goes? We'll see how it goes. Okay, so excuse the wibbly camera stuff, but my experiment of rotating the wheel whilst on the spigot with a live motor didn't work out very well. So Richie's come up with this fixture, and we've measured all of those screws, and all of those, the tips of those screws touch on the inside of the grey plastic there. So we're hoping that that will give us some kind of an alignment, so that connects onto there like that. I do apologise, I'm doing this one-handed. But yeah, with a little bit of luck, that may give us the ability to set the motor shaft relatively concentric to the wheel shaft. We'll see how we do. Set it off.
Didn't set it off. It didn't crash in that bad. You're on video.
Oh right, is it working?
It is.
Okay, jolly good. Right, so little tip for you. Can I get in? Am I in the camera frame?
You are.
Yeah, nice. So a lot of saws, they come with a right angle, and you can use that to help you cut a 90-degree across there, like that. See, it's a nice flat edge there. There's a 45 there as well. Yeah. So just a little tip. We're working on the chassis at the minute. Over here we've got a jig and fixture set up, gluing the spigot into the receptacle. We're a little bit nervous about how well that's going to work out for us. And then we've got this far into creating the chassis. So yeah, we'll see how we do. So about ready?
I'm ready.
Give me a second.
No.
Are you videoing already?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Right. So we've done a little bit of sawing, and if you would care to come in this direction, Mr. Cameraman, you can see here that we've got that side all wood glued down. Nice bit of wood glue here. The old Evo stick wood glue, yeah, nothing wrong with that. B&Q, couple of quid, something. And now we're about ready to put the other side of it together. The problem is it is a Friday night, and a bottle of vodka seems to be slowing progress. But yeah, it's good fun. Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Saying crap on your screen.
Okay, so
go.
it's running.
Yeah, it's running now.
All right, okay. So Richie was complaining that the first one he measured out beautifully, and it did all go together really well. It's all wood glued down. This side, I got a little bit sort of, you know, threw caution to the wind, and I've just whacked it together, and he's moaning he's moaning at me because there's a nasty screw here that could, you know, catch you. There'd be a big blade spinning round in there at some point. But yeah, there's a nasty screw here that might catch you, and also apparently I was a very bad boy. This here wasn't lined up very well, but we're going to fix that, because when we would glue it in, we're using a piece of rope just to put some tension on it and bring it back into place. So in the meantime, the motor and the wheel are sitting in the lounge and in a slightly warmer environment and acclimatizing. Hopefully that glue is going off well. So we'll see how it goes. Let me turn the music down just a little bit.